Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Mrs. P. Tarleton. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today I wanted to show you how you can do flashcards digitally. It kind of makes it a little fun. We're going to put a little detective spin on it. We're going to use this magnifying glass to get our answers. Let's dive in. So I'm going to start with my blank slide. Don't need the theme. And what I did to create the title, I used Wordart. So insert Wordart. Here I can change the color to red. I can also change the font. Shrink it down a bit, make it fit. When I get that vertical red line, I know it's centered. I also like to add a little drop shadow. So if I go to Format, Options, and over here I can click here and add a little drop shadow. I can make that drop shadow bigger. Just adds a little more dimension to your slide. So I'm going to add that there. I'm going to need to add my word, my vocabulary word. Density. I'm going to change the color, highlighting it. I like it red. I want it bold. And I want a bold, chunky font. That works. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Right below that, I am going to insert a shape. I'm going to do my rectangle. And this is where the definition is going to hide. Change it to red because that's the color I chose. You can do this any color you'd like. The trick is now to put a transparent overlay on top of this red rectangle. And you're going to actually type the words on the transparent overlay. So let's do that. Insert another shape. And this one is going to be transparent. Make the border transparent. And I'm going to type on here the definition of density. So highlight my font. I'm going to make it red so it disappears. Matches my background. And now you won't be able to see it. It's there, but you can't see it. Now to bring on some magic, let's get a magnifying glass. I just type transparent magnifying glass. And this one, notice when I run it over here, it actually is transparent in the middle. We don't want it like that. We need to insert a circle, and it needs to be white. So I'm going to put in a circle. If I hold down the Shift key as I left click and drag this, it'll make it a perfect circle. Just gotta drag it and put it into place. A little bit bigger. And I'm gonna turn this to white. Go to the fill bucket, white, and I want my border to also be white or transparent. And I'm gonna group these together. There I've highlighted my circle. Hold down Shift, click on the magnifying glass. Now they're both highlighted together. Go to Arrange and Group. Now they're going to stay together. This is where the magic happens. When you slide this under, you have to make sure it's layered underneath that transparent layer. So we're going to go to Arrange and we're going to send it back. And there you have it. So now your students can write it down on a paper, the definition, what is density, and then they come over here with their magnifying glass and they can check their answer just like that. This same concept can be used with anything. Hope you found this helpful. Remember, step out and be uniquely wonderful you. Have a great day.